Hi everyone, I'm Santiago Ramirez, and today I will talk about social linguistics. The speech starts knowing the essential information to understand the meaning on social linguistics and how it makes strong relationship between linguistics and society. In other words, the language we use is affected by some social factors, and these relationships depend on the way that we relate to each other. There are some social factors that affect our language use. Social background, relationship between the speaker and receiver, and the context and manner of interaction. Social background examples. Education. In this context, it depends if the speaker and receiver are studying and if they study the same degree, or if one of these has not some education and it makes to get a problem to understand the issue about it. Social class. Here it depends on the social status and the relation that different topics to talk. For example, differences between technology, clever things, or how to use it, or if both are from the same social class, understand the environment what they are around. Ethnic group. It makes a difference if the speech is between both Native Americans or if are talking with an Afro-American person and you are a Latin American person. Also, it depends the differences between languages. For example, an African native speaker trying to speak with an Asian speaker in its area. The second issue is relationship between the speaker and the receiver. For example, friends, family, and employee. In this example, we see the brilliance talking with a friend, with an older familiar person, or even with your employer or boss, and the respect that you communicate things or necessity. The next one is the context and manner of interaction. When, where, and how the act of language occurs. For example, in which tense you are talking, in the place that you are spoken, because it is not the same thing talking in a quiet church to yelling in a concert. It's not the same thing if you are telling something singing in a chorus or if you are in a TED speech. All of these aspects show us the significant effect in the way that we use language in our daily life. And therefore, social linguistics is the scientifically investigation study the relationship between language and society and how social factors affect our use of languages. A social linguistic might study how social attitudes determine how is considered appropriate language use or inappropriate language use in a particular setting. Sociolinguistics might also study the grammar, phonetics, vocabulary, and other aspects of various social acts. Sociolinguistics also study the language in a national level among large population to find out how languages is used as a social institution. The following video try to explain more about it, sociolinguistics, and the differences between cultures and between words and the meaning of the words.